What is up, everybody, and welcome back to another Roblox Studio tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a tool giver for your game. And of course, as always, if you guys don't want to stick around and watch this video to actually learn how to make this tool giver, then I will leave it in the description for you to get. But I highly recommend that you do stick around and watch just so you can learn to continue your development journey. But now, with all that being said, let's get into this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing that I'm going to do is I will make a part with a proximity prompt inside of it. I'll just make the action text like get, I'll do sword, I guess. I'll say like get sword. And then I'll go inside the toolbox and I will grab the tool that I want to use. So I'm going to look up a sword and I want to use this one. So now that I have it in the workspace, I'm going to take this sword and I'm going to put it inside the replicated storage. And now inside this proximity prompt, I'm going to make a script. I'll just call the script tool giver. Then I will get the replicated storage. So look, replicated storage is equal to game. Get service replicated storage. Then I will say script.parent.triggered. So when we trigger the proximity prompt, we'll connect that to a function. And we will get the player that triggered the proximity prompt. And then I will say local tool be equal to replicated storage dot classic sword clone. I'll say the tool dot parent will be equal to the player dot backpack. And this will actually work as a tool giver. But if you wanted to have it so like the player can't get a tool if they already have one, what you should do, you should say if player find first child, or no, sorry, if player dot backpack find first child, and you put in the name of the tool inside quotations, and then you say or player dot character find first child, and then you put the name in quotations, then return end. And this would make it so if the player already has this sword, then they're not going to be able to get it again unless they like die or lose it or something like that. But now if I test this game, we should see that it will actually work. When I press on E, I get the sword, and if I try pressing E again, I won't get it even if I'm holding it. But yeah, now I have this sword and we can see that the system works absolutely perfectly. But yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. I know it was really short, but this is probably like the most simple system that I've made on my channel. So I appreciate it if you did make it to the end. It would mean the world to me if you guys could like and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.